Importance of time series analysis. It is important to analyze the fast changes happening in economic and trade sector so that appropriate measures can be taken by estimating correctly. Importance of time series analysis is also for traders, sociologists, scientists, etc. In addition to an economist, importance of time series analysis can be classified the following manners. First, benefits from past experience. Important conclusions can be driven by studying the direction of past variations. For example, if the last year production is less than production during other years, there may be many causes for decrease in production. Sudden decrease in demand, strike by laborers, drought situations, etc. These causes can be estimated correctly and accurately by time series analysis. Second, to forecast future behavior. Study of past is very much helpful to forecast about future. On the basis of these estimates, efforts can be made to avoid unwanted incidents. Efforts can be made to decrease production to meet out expected demand in future. Third, comparison with other time series. Important conclusions can be derived by comparing various time series. For example, India's birth rate or death rate can be compared with those of Russia, America and other countries. Next, helpful in policy making. Time series analysis helps in making appropriate policies. For example, to remove the problem of unemployment, it is essential to know how many persons are unemployed and by what rate unemployment is increasing. Problem cannot be solved until we do not have correct estimation of such things. Fifth, predicting trade cycle. Trade fluctuation can be prescribed with the help of study of cycle variation. A trader can increase his profit and decrease his losses on the basis of such predictions. Study of changes and variations. Changes in variation and various fields of life, especially economic and trade sector, can be studied by time series analysis. It makes continuous for time to come. Present achievements can be evaluated by time series analysis. Variation can be studied by comparing present results with predictions. Next, universal utility. Time series analysis has universal utility. Knowledge of short time and long time changes concerning utility, production, trade is essential for all class of society. Writing about the importance of time series analysis, Croxton and Counden have written, though an economist is especially responsible for the development of technique of time series analysis, Yet study of time series is interesting for employees of other area also. For example, traders, sociologist, zoologist, geologist, public health employee and others. In summary, we can say systematic analysis of time series is like a compass which guides an economist, a sociologist, trader, producer, consumer, politician for determining economic, social and trade policies.